What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. Today's move we're going to work on is what I call a triple heel twist with a ball change. Alright, so this move we will be using our basic heel twist ball change. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for this movement, we are going to be doing 3 heel twists to one side before executing a ball change. So I'm going to start over here to my left. So for the basic heel twist ball change, the same concepts apply, right? I'm using my energy to go this way, my toe is going to point this way, and I'm also stepping towards my right. Okay, so if everything's going to the right, you're putting your energy in your heel, and my toe is going to the right. So as I step back, I'm going to go back here. Now, instead of going right to the ball change or doing a fake out, I'm going to keep this flow going. Okay, so from here, you have 2 options. One is you can just use your toe to shift over, and now I'm using my toe and shifting my heel over, or you could just step in. Okay, so again, we're trying to make this movement a little bit bigger today, so I am going to point my toe the opposite direction of where it's about to go. Okay, so again, I'm here. I'm going to twist my toe to the right. I'm going to step. From here, 2 options. You could either use your toe to twist out your heel, or if that's uncomfortable, just take a small step out and just reset your toe to the left. Okay, so from here we're gonna execute another one, out, and again, up to you. You could do toe, or you step out, and then from here I'm gonna do my ball change, right, left. Okay, so let's try that all together. Start on my right. I'm going to the right, reset to the right, reset to the right, ball change. Okay, so let's show the example with just using my toe. So in my head, I'm thinking heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Okay, so here we go. So where's my right? I'm going heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, ball, change. Okay, so the other way we can approach this is doing that step. So think heel, step, heel, step, heel. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, step, heel, step, heel, ball, change. Alright, so once you have that side, let's try it on the other side. So same thing applies. My energy is going to the left, so that means my toes are pointing to the left. Okay, and my energy is in my heel, and at the same time I'm stepping back. So I'm doing heel twist. Again, up to you. You can either use your toe, pointing your heel this way, or I just take that step and point my toe facing this way. Okay, so from here I'm taking that step, twist. Again, up to you. You twist or step, and I do one more, twist, and then we're going to go ball change. Okay, so try it again. Starting from the right, I'm going to the left. Step, left, ball, change. One more time. So let's try that. Actually, let's try it with just using our heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, so again, you're going heel, toe, heel, ball, change. Okay, here we go. So 6, 7, 8, I'm going heel, toe, heel, ball, change. Okay, now let's try it with the step. So think heel, step, heel, ball, change. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. I'm going heel, step, heel, ball, change. Alright, so let's try to go back and forth. So for the first one, we're just going to use the heel, toe version. Second one, we'll do the heel, step version. Okay, so back and forth. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go heel, toe, heel, other way. Heel, toe, heel. One more time. Okay, so now let's try it with the step. 6, 7, 8, heel, step, ball, change, heel, step, ball, change. Alright, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes heel, toe, heel, other way. Heel, toe, heel. Now add the step. Heel, step, heel, ball, change. Heel, step, heel, ball, change. Alright, so now let's put that together with some counts. So just for this instance, I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So just following those and counts in constant movement. Again, you can execute this move however you want. Just to make it simple, we are gonna follow that simple count. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Pick up your foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2 and 3. Other way. 1 and 2 and 3. Pick up your foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, whatever direction you're traveling to, that's where you want to think all your energy is pointing, right? So whether you're doing your heel toe or you're stepping, my toes are constantly going to the right if I'm going to my right. And even when I use my toe, my heels are constantly going to the right as well if I'm always going to the right. So same thing applies if I go to my left, okay? Second thing is, it's really up to you if you want to mix and match. You could always do heel, toe, step. If you want to do that stuff, it's really up to you. Just be creative with it. I would love to see you practicing and executing this movement, so go ahead and post up a video and make sure to tag me at Darren Wong. That way I can give you a shout out and give you props. Alright, so let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!